Mastering risk mitigation. Risk management can't thrive without operational excellence. Where does the organization's risk management framework stand in relation to its operational excellence initiatives, and how do these two components intersect to ensure that risk mitigation strategies are effectively integrated into everyday operations? The organization's risk management framework and operational excellence initiatives are closely intertwined, with the former providing a structured approach to identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks, and the latter driving continuous improvement and efficiency in operations. To ensure effective integration of risk mitigation strategies into everyday operations, the organization must align its risk management framework with its operational excellence initiatives. Firstly, the organization's risk management framework should be embedded within its operational excellence initiatives, ensuring that risk considerations are integrated into everyday operations. This can be achieved by identifying and assessing operational risks, and developing mitigation strategies that are aligned with the organization's overall operational excellence goals. For instance, the organization can identify key performance indicators, KPIs, that are indicative of operational risk, such as defect rates, equipment downtime, or supply chain disruptions. By monitoring and analyzing these KPIs, the organization can identify potential risks and develop targeted mitigation strategies to minimize their impact. Secondly, the organization's operational excellence initiatives should be designed to drive continuous improvement and efficiency in operations, while also mitigating operational risks. This can be achieved by implementing process improvements, optimizing workflows, and streamlining operations to reduce the likelihood of errors, defects, or disruptions. For example, implementing lean principles, such as just-in-time production, total productive maintenance, and continuous improvement, can help reduce waste, improve efficiency, and minimize the risk of errors or defects. Thirdly, the organization should establish a culture of operational excellence, where employees are empowered to identify and mitigate operational risks. This can be achieved by providing training and resources to employees, encouraging a culture of continuous improvement, and recognizing and rewarding employees for identifying and mitigating operational risks. For instance, employees can be trained to identify potential risks and develop mitigation strategies, and be empowered to take ownership of risk mitigation efforts. Fourthly, the organization should leverage technology and data analytics to support its operational excellence initiatives and risk mitigation efforts. This can be achieved by implementing data analytics platforms, such as predictive analytics, machine learning, and IoT sensors, to identify potential risks and optimize operational performance. For example, predictive analytics can be used to identify patterns and trends in operational data, enabling the organization to anticipate and mitigate potential risks before they occur. Fifthly, the organization should establish a robust governance structure to oversee its operational excellence initiatives and risk mitigation efforts. This can be achieved by establishing cross-functional teams, comprising representatives from various departments, to identify and mitigate operational risks. The governance structure should also include regular review and assessment of risk mitigation strategies, to ensure their effectiveness and identify opportunities for improvement. Lastly, the organization should continually monitor and review its risk management framework and operational excellence initiatives, to ensure they remain effective and aligned with the organization's overall goals and objectives. This can be achieved by conducting regular risk assessments, reviewing KPIs, and soliciting feedback from employees and stakeholders. The organization should also identify and share best practices, and recognize and reward employees for their contributions to operational excellence and risk mitigation efforts. In conclusion, the organization's risk management framework and operational excellence initiatives are closely intertwined, and must be integrated to ensure effective risk mitigation strategies are integrated into everyday operations. By aligning its risk management framework with its operational excellence initiatives, the organization can minimize operational risks, drive continuous improvement and efficiency, and achieve its overall goals and objectives.